Double pane windows versus triple pane windows. Is it worth the extra cost for the triple pane window? Let's talk about that. When I'm in a home and I'm talking to a potential customer and they're looking at brand new windows for their house, I always get the question, what's the benefit of going a triple pane versus a double pane? The answer is quite easy, actually. It really comes down to the U factor and sound. If what you're after is keeping the warmth in a house when it's a really, really cold, frigid day outside, triple pane might be the answer. If you live in a very, very noisy neighborhood, triple pane might be the answer. If you live by a freeway or maybe an airport, triple pane might be the answer. But that doesn't mean that a double pane window can't perform much like a triple pane window. A triple pane window is going to have some characteristics that you're not really gonna get with a dual pane window. The triple pane window, one, is heavier, and I mean, that's fine in some cases, but it's heavier because you have an extra pane of glass. So instead of one spacer, you have two spacers because you have 3 panels of glass, which can give you more opportunity for seal failure. So that's another problem. But that doesn't mean it's going to happen. It's just an opportunity for something like that to happen. The other thing is the depth of the actual window frame. They get blockier, they get deeper because now you have to account for 3 panels of glass that are all sandwiched together. So your sash that the glass goes into that slides side by side or up and down is inherently going to be thicker, deeper, right? Blockier. And then you have your main frame. So with these new dual pane windows, let's call it Anlin windows, you're going to have a depth from behind the retro flange 2 3/4 inches. And whenever you're installing these windows in a 5-inch wall, that gives you plenty of space for your shade. You know, your blinds, whatever it is that you had, we can usually put that back up for you. With a triple pane window, chances are you're not gonna have that real estate left in your drywall to put your blinds back up. That's something you have to think about and do some homework and decide whether or not it's actually worth it. If it's just the sound that you're looking for an improvement in, and obviously the heat gain and all that, well, you can do sound package glass, dissimilar glass sizes on a double pane window and achieve really, really nice improvements on noise. When we put windows in customers' houses, they always say how quiet it got. They're not using triple pane windows, they're using dual pane windows. And they'll live next to a thoroughway, someplace where it's really, really busy, and the first thing they say is, it is insanely quiet in here. You're talking about a cost difference, savings from a triple pane to a double pane window, and you get great results. You don't always need to go with a triple pane if you're looking for sound improvement. Now, when it comes to the cold, triple pane windows are fantastic. So if you live in a very, very cold region and it's snowing outside and you get, high winds, triple pane window might be your answer. There's also an option for a film that goes, it's a pyrolytic coating that goes on the interior of the glass. Anlin calls it QuadTherm. Now what that does is it slows the heat from escaping from even that surface. It slows it to a crawl. Now it's not the same performance as, say, a triple pane window, but it slows it way, way down. There's things that you can do to a double pane window to make it perform like a triple pane window without having to pay all the extra money. Just kind of depends on your region. If you're living in places like Arizona or California, Florida, you don't need triple pane windows. Double pane is perfect, and that'll help you in a lot of ways. Okay guys, make it a great day. Before you click off this video, if you live in the Ventura, LA, or Dallas-Fort Worth area and you are interested in a free in-home estimate, go to the website, click on the request. The link is down below in the descriptions. I will reach out to you. Thank you guys so much.